Silver and gold are both very bullish right now. Silver has an upside target of about $100 right now and could reach a little bit of resistance right around $96 and right here at 93. And gold has an upward target of about $5,100 with potential rejections or just resistance right around the $4,750 range. I will show you exactly why I think that inside of the charts. I will also show you the two trades that we took inside of Nordic Alpha, literally given out yesterday, where we took a 7x risk to reward on gold, which means for every dollar that you risked, you made $7. And this was about a 1.5% move up. And the 19x risk to reward that we took on silver that we also gave out yesterday, which I'll show you inside of the actual channel where I did that. That means that for every dollar that you risked on silver, you made 19x your money, and this was a 7% move up. We absolutely smashed it, and if you don't know who I am Drew Wolfer. I am the founder and the head trader at Nordic Alpha. I have a 91.5% live tracked and documented win rate. You can feel free to go and check it anytime you want on my website. And that is in 2025, where we've been killing it inside of Nordic Alpha alone on just gold and silver. So let's talk about the upside targets and let's talk about what needs to happen in order for us to go to that $5,100 and $100 level on silver. All right, so let's get in here and I'll show you exactly what I am talking about. So if you go to silver first, because that's what a lot of people are here for, right? This is actually the trade that we gave out. We basically said, look, we come back down to these range highs right here, these previous all-time highs, and we use them as support. We are going to look for longs, and we are going to target about the $92 range. We actually hit that. You've had about 5 different chances to get out of that trade profitably, and the only thing that should be left on the table at this point are runners, because we made a 22x risk to reward and a 7% move up, almost exactly 6.9, 6.8%. Pretty insane trade. Now, this is the gold trade that we gave out at the same time yesterday. We said, look, if we come back down here, and guess what? If we bounce from the old all-time highs, we want to see a swing failure pattern, so an SFP, a wick through these lows right here, and then a bounce, and that is exactly what happened. We got an SFP up here, which was the thing that I said, hey, if we get this SFP, it's going to bring us down to these lows and these lows. And that's exactly what happened. We bounced, and then we took out those unprotected highs up here for a literal 6.7x risk to reward trade, and then I believe this was a 1.5% move up. Yeah, about 1.4% move up. So where can we start thinking about continuing to be bullish, okay? And that is where before we do that, I want to show you where I actually gave these trades out. So yesterday at 11:30 in the morning, I gave out the trade on gold, as you can see right here. And this was actually before we got that wick that came down here. So you had a second chance to get in. So where I was talking about the SFP. And then on silver, I think I gave the trade out right around here. Yep, it was right around here. And then, nope, that wasn't the trade. Sorry, this was the trade right here. Hey, we come right here, over here. We grab the long right here at the top of the previous all-time high. We use it as support. Bam, we came down, and then we are targeting $92. And I also alerted people when this happened. I said, hey, we just wicked down on gold, and guess what? We just wicked down on silver. Both of our trades have hit, and that's that. So let's talk about what is going on inside of the charts right now and why I think we could just be legging up and why I said $92 was our target. The first thing you're going to need to understand are these ranges, okay? And this is your prior range. So if you look from the old highs, right? These were the old highs. And you go and you drag it to the bottom end where we fell after those highs. What you're going to see is if you drag it up to the new all-time high, after we broke the previous all-time high, and then we topped out, got a little bit of a pullback, bang, and started blasting up again, you can see that we were going to reach resistance right around $90 to $92. Now, I did say this in my video, I believe on Monday, so, feel free to go back and fact check me on all this stuff. This was on YouTube. I talked about this exact level right here. It was about $91 to $93 was going to be a pretty decent level of resistance. Now, where can you find support? Well, your first support's going to be right here at about $89. Your second support's going to be right here at about $86, okay? But where could we go if we were to pump up from here? Well, if you go back to our first range, you'll see that our ultimate target is $98 to about $99.80, so about $100. But If that's not good enough for you, this is the real upside target, okay? If you measure from the low to the high, and these are my proprietary range tools, okay? So these are proprietary deviation zones that only really I know about, but essentially, if you want to learn those things, get inside of Nordic Alpha. It's $29 a month. It's less than $1 a day right now, so feel free to get in. It's the first link in the description. We will go and move onward and upward. So as it sits right now, what we're looking at is if we can come down here, even to these old highs at 86 bucks and catch a bounce, we're pretty likely to come up here to about $100. Then if we can use the old all-time highs as support, we can come up here to about $106 to $110 to the second deviation zone. Now, where are your ultimate supports other than 86 bucks? Right here. $83 at that double top that we finally got through is the previous all-time highs. And then obviously you have support here at the pivot point, and this pivot point is very well respected. You do not want to see this pivot point get broken, in my opinion, right? As you can see on the 12-hour chart, boom, 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 all the way up. So you really just want to stay above about $80 to $81 right now so that you can remain bullish on silver. So let's talk about gold. Why did we say, hey, we're coming here and we want to take profits up here on gold around $4,650? Well, for that, we would go to our range tool again and see, all right, we have our all-time high right here. And then we have our next leg of structure that went up. We had this leg of structure right here, right? And if I show you, bam, bam, my deviation, discount, and premium zone, look at that leg. You got outside of it, you used it as support. We entered along at the support of that deviation zone, and then guess what? You rejected right before the second proprietary deviation zone right here. So that's why we were saying, hey, 4650, that's one reason why we want to be getting out there, right? You can also look at this, and as you can see, we got outside of it, again, used it as support. Beautiful. And it's the previous all-time high. Absolutely tremendous, absolutely beautiful. So where could we be going from here? Well, you guessed it, about $4,750. If we drag this from the lows to the highs, 4,750 bucks, right? And then I can show you an even better one that could tell you exactly where we could be potentially going, all right? So let's go and look at this one right here, my double top downtrend, okay? If you look from the double top right here, okay? And we got to zoom pretty far out in order to be able to see this. This was our double top all-time high. You drag it to the lows, and as you can see, we came up, rejected from the first deviation zone, found support right here, and then boom, blasted up, got through the deviation zone, found support at the deviation zone, which was a reason why we took this trade. And as you can see, 4,700 to 4,750 bucks. But maybe that's not enough, right? Maybe that's not enough. So let's measure from the low to the new high before we got our nice fade, okay? And as you can see, the next resistance, 4,750 to about $4,800. And then if you get through there, you're looking at about $5K, $250, $100. What would I like to see? I would like to see us just kind of find a little zone right here, come up here, reject, use those prior all-time highs or our new all-time highs as support, and then start legging our way up to about $5,000, $250, $100. I would like to see about the same thing, to be honest with you, on silver, where I'm looking here to see if we get a nice bounce, okay? And if we can do this, we could see us going up to about $100. So as you can see, if we get this rejection here, that's perfectly fine. We get the pullback to the previous all-time highs, we get a bounce, and we are looking to head our way up to about $100. So if that is helpful to you, I appreciate you so much, seriously, for showing up. I hope to see you inside of Nordic Alpha, where we are giving out these trade setups every single day inside of not only gold, silver, but also Bitcoin, the S&P, equities, and things of that sort, right? And I also teach you how to find these setups for yourself. So not only do I give you my setups, but I also teach you how to, find these setups for yourself. So if that's something that's interesting to you, $29 a month, first link in the description, less than $1 a day right now. Prices will be going up. We do offer discounts for people that sign up for 3, 6, and 12 months. I would love to see you inside of the Nordic Alpha private VIP trading academy. And if you like content like this, obviously, the only thing that I ask, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on the notification bell so you don't miss this analysis ever again. And if you want the actionable insights and the trade setups, get inside of Nordic Alpha. I appreciate you so much. I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.